people, and this is my eighth review of the day. And wow, it feels good. I'm reviewing the movie Dil Chahta Hai, and the film, like we all know, was Farhan Akhtar's directorial debut. And what is the guy not good at? Yeah, he sings, he directs, he acts. I'm sure he writes, and must be he's a lyric writer also and composes. I'm sure. So, my God, multifaceted. So, and Dil Chahta Hai, the film is again a multifaceted film. As in, it's you could call it a college film, like a film about college friends, or a road film, or it's got it's there's a lot of angst in the film, especially since Akshay Khanna, the character, likes Dimple Kapadia, who's like this much older divorced woman, and then it's like three love stories happening simultaneously, and very cute film, yeah. And the music is what I found, like, especially like it it's very like when the music complements the film, it's like the music also is like partaking in the storytelling. And now I know I sound like one of these very like uptight film reviewers, but seriously, that I would give the film, seriously. Yeah, it was a directorial debut, so 5-star rating. And Preeti Zinta, and this whole thing of, my God. Now, when I think of that film, for a few seconds, I'm there, like I'm in front of the screen watching that movie, like, or basically this movies come on TV also many times. So it's just, this is one of these, you have to watch films. So please take it down, people. That's important. So 5-star rating for this movie, and thank you Farhan Akhtar for just being born. So thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.